Hi, Fong. Good
Hello.
evening.
Ring.
Yes. Okay. All right. For a while, Fong. Okay. All right. So, how are you today, Fong? Okay, how are you today, Fong?
I'm fine today, and how are you?
Yes, I'm also fine. All right. So, are you done with your class?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's start our class.
Okay.
Okay. So we're done with our this one. Hearing some words, sentence, its definition, learning new words. Now let's go to before and after. Okay. So can you choose a topic here, a debate topic from here? Okay, choose here. From 25 to 35, can you choose one?
Mm,
Okay, what debate topic did you choose?
mm, Wait a minute, please.
All right. Ano ka study route? Ano ka
Choose.
study route?
Should schools have dress codes?
All right. So, should schools have dress codes? Okay, so before reading this debate, these are my thoughts and opinions. Oh, I'm sorry. All right. So before reading this debate, these are my thoughts and opinion about the topic. Okay, before reading the debate, so what are your thoughts about the topic that you choose? Should, or I mean, what are your thoughts or opinion? Should schools have dress codes?
I think school should have dress code.
Yes, before you choose that one, or yes, what comes into your mind?
Can you give example?
Right. So for example, um, so you choose should schools have dress codes? So before reading the debate topic, the opinions about the topic I choose are questions. So why should um, what is the debate topic again? So why should schools have dress codes? Or
Mm,
like thoughts like um, why do they need um, dress codes for schools, like that. Or opinion, because I think they should have dress codes because it is one of their rules.
I think they should have schools should have dress code because it make the school like
Mhm.
make school look polite.
Yes. So part two, after reading this debate, this is how my opinion has gotten stronger. So after reading the debate topic, how was your opinion got stronger?
Mm, can you say again?
So what you said earlier about part one before, after reading the debate topic, how was your opinion got stronger? What was your opinion again in part one? What was it again?
My opinion in part one.
Yeah. Before.
Dress code will make school more polite.
Okay. So how was that your opinion become stronger? It is because schools should be polite with their rules. So that's why they are strict with their, what's our debate topic again?
Their dress code.
School what school codes, right?
Dress code.
Yeah, dress code, right? Okay, so part three. Tell why. After reading this debate, this is how my opinion has changed. Okay. How was your opinion change? So it was changed by on how students follow the dress code and how um, students didn't follow the dress codes. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Looking at both sides. In most debate issues, you will see reasons for or against the topic. So you will, in a debate form, you will see reasons like affirmative side and it's against the topic. So as you read the debate, keep track for both sides by filling in the graphic organizer below. Okay, so let's start with the debate prompt 1. Should animals be used to test new products? So scientists perform tests on animals every day. Some people think the tests are cruel and painful. What do you think? Okay, can you please read the context first?
Have you ever wondered how a cavity knows that is sample won't burn your eyes or make your scrape break out in a rash? Companies test their produce before they sell them, and a lot of these produce are tested on animals first. Sample isn't the only thing tested on animals. Many medicines are also tested on animals each year. American researchers use more than 20 million mice, monkeys, rabbits, or other animals in scientific tests. These tests help make sure that products are safe. They also help researchers find causes of disease. But many animals suffer or die during the test. Animal rights advo- advo- advocates say this is wrong. One group called Better People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals says that animals have feelings just like people. They get hungry and thirsty. They feel fear and pain. But Beta thinks that all testing on animals should stop. Others feel that it's the only way to fight disease and make safe products. What do you think? Should animals be used to test new products?
Okay, can you say the word products?
Products.
Yeah, that's products. Okay, now let's read the affirmative side.
Hardly anyone dies from smallpox,
Okay, for a
polio,
while,
or rabies.
okay, for a while. These affirmative sides, they agree that animals should be used to test new products. Okay. Okay, can you please read? Continue reading.
Hardly anyone dies of smallpox, polio, or rabies anymore. Why? Vaccines help wipe them out. And without animal testing, we wouldn't have vaccines. We need animal testing to find vaccines and to let scientists try out new medical techniques such as heart transplants. Plants. Yes, it does hurt some animals, but it saves thousands of human lives, and that's really important.
Right, so hardly anyone dies of smallpox, polio, or rabies anymore. Why? Vaccines help them out, wipe them out. And without animal testing, we wouldn't have vaccines. We need animal testing to find vaccines and to let scientists try out new medical techniques, such as heart transplants. Yes, it does hurt some animals, but it saves thousands of human lives, and that's really important. So how about the negative side or against? Can you please read?
Animals have feelings just like humans. It's wrong when they die to test our products, especially those that have no real medical purpose. Companies like The Body Shop, without animal testing, doctors and researchers should stop all animal testing now. It's not fair to put animals' lives in risk for humans.
Okay, so animals have feelings just like humans. It's wrong when they die to test our products, especially those that have no real medical purpose. Companies like The Body Shop are developing new products without animal testing. Doctors and researchers should stop all animal testing now. It's not fair to put animals' lives at risk for humans. Okay, now it's your turn, Pong. What is your point of view? Write a letter to the editor of your local newspaper voicing your opinion. Okay? Do you have questions? So what is your point of view of this debate from? Okay, in 5 sentences, Fong, can you please write it down in our chat box of what is your point of view on should animals be tested for new products? And it should be a letter to the editor of your local newspaper voicing your opinion on that. Okay? Do you have any questions, Fong?
Mm, no.
All right, you may start now. Okay, so Fong, have you write already there? You can send it now since we don't have enough time left.
But I not finish.
It's okay. You can send it now.
Okay.
Yes, very
Not
good.
finish.
It's okay. All right, so thank you for your answer, Fong, and thank you for participating today. And on Saturday, we will continue debate prompt number 2. Okay? Should cell phones and beepers be allowed in school? All right, so thank you for today, Fong, and thank you for listening and have a good night. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye.